Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my second video for Christmas 2023. I set up a 390E standard gauge with a bunch of coal cars, coal hoppers. And the number on these is a 516. There's 4 of them, so it's a kind of a made-up coal train. Thought I'd share it with you guys. And I'm going to go over here, fire it up, and we'll see him go. I just finished working on that 390. It was giving me some fits. I had to take it all apart, put it back together, clean everything up again. The wheels were out of quartering, and I had a loose wheel, so it wasn't staying in its position it was supposed to be in, but it's fixed now. Let me get a closer picture of this. I'll be right back. Nice looking, very smooth running. When these engines are on, they're really on. I'll be right back. That's it, guys. It's a short vid. I'm going to share this one with you, and I do have another one I'm going to make in a few minutes here. It's with the Christmas train. Oh, I forgot to show you we have the drive-in going this year. The drive-in with the skiers down here. So that's really it. I'll bring another one up here in a few minutes. I'm going to shut this guy down. Okay, folks, that's it. I'll be back again. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please do leave a comment. Thank you.